What if one pot could roast, bake, stew, and totally transform your kitchen life? You're about to discover the top 5 cast iron Dutch ovens, tested with passion and precision to help you cook like a pro. Stick around, I'll also share direct links in the description so you can grab your perfect pot. At number 5 is Edging Casting 2-in-1. Here's a bold truth to kick things off. Most cheap Dutch ovens are thin, weak imitations, but for $39.79, Edging Casting 2-in-1 bucks that. It's pre-seasoned, cast iron, and comes with a skillet lid that doubles as a cover, giving you one pot that truly does everything: stewing, baking, roasting, frying. The dual loop handles feel secure even when hot. In my top 5 cast iron Dutch oven review set, this model stood out for delivering serious heat retention and flexibility at a bargain. On the downside, it's heavy, and you must dry and oil it carefully to prevent rust. Compared to pricier top 5 picks with polished finishes or locking lids, Edging gives you nearly all the perks for a fraction of the cost. If you want real iron performance without overpaying, this is a smart buy. At number 4 is Overmont 5.5 quart pot. Ever wondered why premium Dutch ovens cost hundreds, and whether a mid-range one can truly compete? Meet the Overmont 5.5 quart enamel cast iron pot, priced at $49.99, a contender in my top 5 lineup that surprised me at every turn. Its enamel coating delivers smooth, non-stick surfaces and easy cleanup. Heat was beautifully even, no hot spots, and the lid's condensation design kept stews moist, solving the all-too-familiar dry bottom layer problem. It's compatible with gas, electric, induction, and even ovens safe up to 500 Fahrenheit. But it's not perfect. The pot is heavy, and enamel can chip if mishandled. Compared to another pick in my top 5 crew, which offers raw cast iron durability but demands seasoning, Overmont wins for convenience and lower maintenance. I confidently recommend it for cooks who want premium performance without the premium stress. If you cherish ease and consistent results, this may be a smart purchase. On number 3 is Nuovva 6.4 quart pot. Here's a bold idea. What if your next Dutch oven could feel premium without costing like one? The Nuovva 6.4 quart enameled, at just $49.99, is a surprise contender in my top 5 picks. It arrives ready to cook, no seasoning, thanks to the triple layer enamel that resists sticking, chips, and fuss. Heat distribution is impressively even, and the steam circling lid helps your stews stay juicy, solving that dry bottom issue many cheaper pots face. It works on induction, gas, electric, and even survives oven heat up to 500 Fahrenheit. However, it is heavy, and drops or rough handling might risk enamel chips. Compared to a raw cast iron Dutch oven in my list, Nuovva trades rugged seasoning upkeep for sleek convenience and safer cleaning. If you crave beauty, ease, and solid performance, this is a smart buy. But if you prize maximum durability or edge-to-edge lids, one of the raw cast options may still win. At number 2 is Fijinhom 6 quart. Here's a bold opening. Imagine paying under $42.99 and getting a 6 quart pot that challenges premium names. The Fijinhom 6 quart enameled Dutch oven surprised me, and it earned a spot in my top 5 cast iron contenders. Its ample capacity handles everything, from stews to roast to baking, and its circular shower lid helps food stay moist and flavorful. The enamel non-stick finish means I didn't dread cleanup. It endured heat up to 500 Fahrenheit, and worked well on gas, electric, and induction. But nothing is perfect. The unit is heavy, and enamel can chip if treated roughly. Compared to a raw cast iron pick on my top 5 list, Fijinhom trades rugged simplicity for ease and convenience. If you want strong cooking power with low maintenance, this is a compelling option. But if you expect decades of abuse, a bare cast iron choice might. Now moving to the last one is Edging Casting 5.5 quart pot. Here's something bold to kick off. $49.79 gets you a 5.5 quart enamel Dutch oven that nearly rivals high-end brands. Enter the Edging Casting 5.5 quart pot, part of my top 5 shortlist, and it surprised me at every test. Its thick cast iron with glossy enamel delivers even heat and excellent retention. The lid forms a tight seal with its heavy build, locking in steam so your stews stay juicy, a smart fix to the dreaded dry bottom layer in many cheaper pots. The dual handles feel secure, even when full and hot. But it's heavy, and enamel can chip under rough use, so handle it with care. Compared to its raw cast iron sibling in my top 5, this gives easier cleaning and no seasoning work, though it may lack the rustic toughness of bare iron. If you want strong performance plus convenience, this edging model is a solid pick. The clear winner is Edging Casting 5 Quart. Here's why it's the one to buy. It balances size, power, and usability better than the rest. Its thick cast iron core with enamel provides outstanding heat retention and uniform cooking, while the sealed lid locks in moisture. It's easier to maintain than raw iron. Though a bit heavy and enamel must be treated carefully, it delivers top performance daily. Compared to others in the top 5, it offers the fewest compromises, making it the smartest pick for most cooks. So guys, this was the video about the top 5 best cast iron Dutch oven. All the links are given in the description, do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you.